COVID-19 is an infectious respiratory disease caused by SARS coronavirus 2. COVID-19 is short for coronavirus disease that emerged in 2019. Now, what exactly is SARS coronavirus 2? Well, SARS coronavirus 2 stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus 2. Coronaviruses are a large, diverse group of viruses, and you need a powerful microscope to be able to see them. Coronavirus means crown in Latin because the virus looks like it has a crown around it. That's how they got their name. Those crowns are also known as spikes or proteins. Inside the virus, genetic material called RNA is made out of genes. Genes carry the information to make copies of the virus, but the virus can't reproduce by themselves. They contain instructions for how to copy themselves, but lack the tools and supplies to do it. There are two main ways that SARS coronavirus 2 is transmitted between people. When the virus copies itself, they start to infect other cells and can spread throughout coughing, sneezing, and even singing. Infected people can have the virus in their respiratory tract, in their mouth, noses, and throats, and those droplets can travel up to 6 feet, which is a pretty long way. If someone is infected with SARS coronavirus 2, then these droplets that come out from the infected people can have the virus in them. If those droplets land on someone's face, eye, nose, you can get infected. The second way the virus is transmitted that you need to know about is through contact with surfaces that have viruses on them. So we just talked about how the virus is in respiratory droplets of the infected people. When those droplets get on surfaces or they are on the infected person's hand and that person touches its surface like a table or a doorknob, they can leave the virus on that surface. You can't see them, but it's there. Something to keep in mind is that SARS coronavirus 2 is transmitted very efficiently. So this virus is transmitted between people in a way that makes it very difficult to detect and stop. Some people are infectious before they have symptoms, so they may be infecting others and not even know about it. Some people never develop symptoms, so they could also infect other people and not even know that they themselves are infected. So we need to test symptomatic people and identify who had contact with quickly and try to limit the spread. This is also the reason why everyone needs to stay in quarantine. But quarantine can't be practiced by everyone. There are millions of essential workers out there working during this COVID-19 outbreak, which means their health will be at higher risk. These workers risk their lives to protect ours, so please be kind to one another and stay safe.